Page 81. Headphones or subtitles, please. Also, please remember to show your work. Notebooks are a good place for this. No work, no password. Okay, so what is the difference between Earth's highest mountain and its deepest canyon? So let's work that first question. We need Earth's highest mountain and its deepest canyon. So we had to turn back to this other page. Earth's highest mountain is 29,035. 29,035, and that's a positive because it's a high mountain, right? So this is the mountain. And Earth's deepest canyon is 36,198. Okay, but it's negative, remember? And then they're asking you, what is the difference? The word difference means subtract. So we're subtracting a negative, which means we're adding a positive. So if you think about this as a picture, here's the canyon, and here's the high mountain. So down here is 36,198 negative 36,198, and up here is positive 29,035. So we want the difference from here to here, so we need to add it. Just like here, we're adding it here. Alright, so that's 13. Looks like 10 plus 3 is 13 again. So 65,233 is the answer for the first question. So for Earth, 65,233 feet. Okay, next question. What is the difference between Mars' highest mountain and its deepest canyon? Mars' highest mountain is 70,000 and negative 26,000. Negative 26,000. So this is Mars' information. Mars' highest mountain is here. And then its deepest canyon is here. And we want the difference, so we need to subtract. Okay? And we've been practicing. Subtracting a negative is like adding a positive. 96,000. So that's Mars. The difference for Mars is 96,000. And then we need to figure out which difference is greater. So Mars has a greater difference. And let's figure out how much the difference is by subtracting these two. And it's a 10, and then a 9. Make that a 10, and then a 9, and make that a 10. That'll be 7, 6, 7, 0. Okay, so 30,676 feet. That's the difference. Pamela wants to make some friendship bracelets for her friends. Each friendship bracelet she needs is 5.2 inches of string. If Pamela has 20 inches of string, does she have enough to make 4 for her friends, 4 bracelets? No. Because 20 minus, there's 4 friends, so times that by 5.2. So it's going to be less than 0, right? Because 4 times 5 is 20, but 4 times 5.2 is greater than 20. So if so, how much string would she have left over? If not, how much more string would she need? So let's do 5.2 times 4. So she needs 20.9. Sorry, 20.8. She only has 20 inches, so she still needs 8/10. Jeremy is practicing some tricks on his skateboard. One trick takes him forward 5 feet, so that's positive. Then he flips around and moves backwards 7.2 feet, minus 7.2. Then he moves forward again for 2.2. What expression could be used to find how far Jeremy is from his starting position when he finishes the trick? Well, this one. By how far from his starting point is he when he finishes his trick? Explain. So I'm going to combine these two positives, and I know that 2.2 plus 5.0 is 7.2. So we've got 7.2 positive minus 7.2 equals 0, so he's back on his starting position. Okay? Esteban has $20 from his allowance. There's a comic book he wishes to buy that costs $4.25, a cereal bar that costs 89 cents, and a small remote control car that costs $10.99. Does he have enough to buy everything? Well, let's try it. Let's add up all of his costs and then see how much that is. But remember, they're all costs, so they're all going to be negative. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. Two and 9 is 11, plus 4 is 13, plus 8 is 21. So yes, he does. If so, how much will he have left over? Well, let's do some subtracting. $20 minus 1613. Okay, so make that a 1, and that a 10, and then a 9. Make that a 10, and then a 9, and make that a 10. That'll give you 7, 8. Bring down your decimal. 3 there, and that subtracts to give you 0. So he still has had $3.87.